Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your free market update. It is the 16th of July, but I'm doing this video on Monday, 15th of July. I hope you had a great weekend. Okay, let's take a look at the markets, but before, I just want to say congratulations quickly to England cricket team for winning the World Cup, and also to Djokovic for winning the Wimbledon final. There's a bit of a split in the Sandford household. With Federer, some of them wanting Federer to win, some wanting Djokovic to win, so it was an interesting and exhausting Sunday. Alright, let's take a little look at Monday's trading. We never really got anything going, i.e. there was, when I say anything going, we were up about 1,000, we closed trades for about £1,000, just over, I think it was 1,500 in here. Couple of losers in there, 83 on the pound US dollar, and I don't know what this £10 was, can't remember. But you know, it was profitable. Okay, Monday, profitable day, and we just didn't get the foot. This is the FTSE 100 here on the 15-minute chart. We got a sell out the gate here, and we got a long out the gate here. I was using it on the 5-minute. This is the 15-minute chart. Then we got this big reversal into the mid-morning afternoon session. Finished up with a short side trade as it pushed a little bit lower here on the 4:30 close on the FTSE. But up a grand, that's nice. Just keep on adding to the account as we go. But one of the reasons that I shorted, let me just get this pen. I want to show you the reason I shorted a bit of, we were looking for some shorts here. Because the market pushed up. I mean, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 count. But let me just take you, let's get rid of this account here. Let's just take you to the daily time frame and show you this. Jumped into the daily chart of the FTSE 100 here. And you see these two boundary lines. These are telling me that the FTSE has moved its maximum range for the day. Okay, so if the price goes up into the top boundary, it's saying it's overbought. If it moves down into the lower boundary, it means it's oversold on the boundary. So if you've got that was in there at 75, just shy of 75.50, and then if you go down to the smaller time frame, in fact, let's not do that until we see not 75.50, it was 75.41 was the high, with the boundary high. And so if I go down to the intraday time frame, the 75.41 was just around this zone here. So that was telling us, and with this two wave signaling here, that was telling us we were overbought into a maximum movement range for the day in the FTSE. So that always helps. By having that indicator up there, it tells us that we don't want to be buying the market right at the highs. You may want to look for a short side trade. Okay, so we scalped that a little bit back as well. So a good Monday, up a grand. Let's take a look. Let's dive into the daily, see where we are here on other markets. I think, and I'm going to talk about this on Tuesday night's webinar, and we're just going to get into the live charts on the Tuesday night webinar, guys. I think we've got potential here to rotate and go back down here. This dark green, dark red candlestick basically tells us it's an up day. We've gone up today. You look at the likes of the German DAX as well. On the daily chart, DAX is in position here. There is lots of potential for another leg. So 1, 2, 3. We could tank here, and I'm watching very closely these markets to see if we do that. Then that's the European indexes. But then if we're going to have a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, we've had a beautiful move up. It's been, and if you've been watching the videos, it's been green all the way up. Trend predictor, green arrow long. So when we get a trend predictor, means that we're going to go up in an up phase the next few days. We've got another trend predictor long up phase here. Beautiful move. Lovely bull flag here as well. And breakout. And so we push higher. Hit 27,400 here on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Now let me just show you where that was. Just turned on the Pro Trend System target. There is the Pro Trend System target. Okay, so entry, final target, 27,375. We literally hit that today. And now we're sort of selling off slightly. Beautiful move, guys. I mean, that's 25,500 you know, we nearly got to 2,000 points profit. But what a beautiful move, and that was at the start of June, all the way up here. Even if you got 1,200 points out of it in the spread betting account, that would have been a very nice profit for you. So some cracking moves up there in the Dow. It's been really good trading conditions, even though we're into summer. And one to watch for you is the dollar yen here. Let's get the account open. I'm just running a trade on this one, and just at the moment, just about 573 short on this side. Why? Because the PTS sell signal. Okay, so we've got Pro Trend System sell signal, and we've had lovely red sell signals all the way down. So, you know, I want to participate in this short side trade again and see if, you know, this could run. We've got some targets at, you know, 106.43 right down here. If we get there, then I'll definitely, if we start seeing light red tomorrow on the Pro Trend System, at the moment it's white. White basically means it's sideways. But if we get some red on the PTS here, I will add to this short side trade and start to, you know, do some more units to the downside, because I think we could really flush quite quickly down to 106.43, which is a you know, will give us about another 100 points, 100 pips, 100 spread betting points, where however you want to look at it. All right, so pretty good. I'm going to be doing a webinar on Tuesday night. We're just going to be talking about stock indices, where we could be going, and how I'm trading them. And so yeah, it's hopefully you'll come and join me. Very informal. We're going to get the live charts up. If you've got any questions, come and ask, and I will speak to you. It's probably the third time I've actually tried to do this video, and for some reason I just cannot speak that Monday afternoon. I feel like I'm a bit exhausted with all the sport that's been happening this weekend. All right, so we go again. Tuesday. I think Tuesday's going to be a good volume day. Monday was not many big runners, but we came out on top once again. All right, guys, have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye now. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, guys. Hit the subscribe button below this video and you will get notifications on the next trading update. So I'll speak to you soon, guys. Take care. Hit that subscribe button and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.